Hey guys, today let's learn how to view opened snap again on Snapchat. So if in the case that you have opened a specific snap on the Snapchat application and you want to go ahead and view it one more time just for another chance, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So what we need to go ahead and do first is to launch the Snapchat application. And once we're already here, let's go ahead onto our DMs section and view the specific chat that you'd like to go ahead and basically view. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and proceed to, let's say, this chat over here. So if you want to go ahead and view that specific Snapchat that somebody has actually sent you one more time, well, I would like you guys to just be aware that if in the case that the person has sent you a Snapchat and it is only set to view once, well, we don't really have another chance on viewing that snap another time because it is actually set to view once. And this is actually the owner rather of this specific chat has the chance to change that setting on their end. So if you'd like to go ahead and basically view that snap one more time, well, you don't really have that chance anymore if in the case that you have already viewed it and it is actually set on a view once mode. So if in the case that it is set to always or view on another time, well, there is going to be another chance for you to do this. So go ahead and try it out yourselves, guys, and basically you're going to find out if you're going to be allowed to view it again or not. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.